This is a must-learn DIY fashionable round gele for beginners. So why don't you come around and let's do this together? When you are starting with this head wrap, you are going to get your material divided into 70-30. One part is going to be shorter than the other part. So hi guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to my page for today's tutorial, and we are trying this fashionable round gele tutorial. So we had the shorter part taken to the back after making some pleats, round it over to the longer part like this and find a way to secure it down, covered up at the back. Now you come back to the front to align the pleated parts before you proceed to the next step. So the excess you have for the longer parts, grab everything up and make rough pleats down. So when you arrange the pleat and place it on the previous one made, continue making the pleat until you get to your desired part on your head. It can be at the center, but I decided to form this by my side, okay, by the side of the head wrap. So I folded a bit and I used elastic band to grab it. Please, what you need is just to focus your eyes and see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same process once again. Pleat it down, fold it a bit, just small, and not too far from the previous one I folded. Then I need another band to secure. So after securing of that part again, we have a little bit left. So I'm going to get it. I'll continue pleating it down to the remaining part after folding two parts. So I'll take it round, arrange it to the last part and find a way to secure at the back. So all being pleated and now finding a way to get it secured. So I dip it in there and it was properly secured. So the back is gonna be like this. Then we move to the front to work with the folded parts. So just dip your hand in the hole and pull out just bit by bit, because I don't want it unnecessarily big, just small. So I'll try to pull it out bit by bit till I achieve my desired size and shape. So here is it that I'm pulling out. So what I do to right, I do to the other. Now I'm getting my office pin ready to secure both edges at the front. If you like, you can have it open, but I want mine to be covered up, like joined together at the front. So I'll pull the both edges together and secure it down with the office pin. Instead of you having a regular round gele, you can just try this out and we can see it is easy and seamless, like very fast and easy to do, even for a layman, like a beginner. Yes, so here is the final look, my people. I am done here and I'm trying to fill it out, like, does it really makes sense, which I think it is, guys. It depends on your choice, but I think it's okay for like a church program or any one bear. So I'll see you soon.